Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Just having my cup of joe right now. I'm actually going to be filming something that I need to do and I've been wanting to do to the truck for a very long time now. I'm actually planning to replace my old tonneau cover here. It's broken and it actually doesn't retract, so I'll show you guys what I mean right now. All right, I'm just gonna put my Tim Horton cup down and I'll show you guys what I mean. So if you guys see here, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you see how it bunches? Okay, I'll unlock it, right? It's unlocked. Try to push it. Typically, what it should be doing is it would retract all the way after you push it, but it's not. It hasn't been doing this for the longest time, and finally, I have a reason to do so because I'm going camping this weekend, and even with this crappy weather, and it's kind of drizzling right now, I need to get this done. If you're gonna ask me, do I know how to uninstall and reinstall a tonneau cover? Hell no.
Hell no, to the no, no, no. Hell to the no, hell to the no, to the no, no, no.
Like I said before, I've only gotten to modifying or fixing up a truck, for example, or a vehicle just lately. I've done a few modifications to my old vehicles, like my old Civic. That's just adding a a lip kit to the vehicle, which isn't that hard. But this one, I'm disassembling it and assembling the new tonneau cover. The person that I bought it off of, the store that I bought it off of said that it's not that hard. So I'm hoping that disassembly of my old tonneau cover would be pretty easy and I don't get rained on. Anyways, guys, I gotta start doing this before it starts raining down again. All right, guys, so from what I'm seeing, I just have to remove these clips right here. I don't know if it's called a clip, but this clip, I guess, here, there's one right there, and there's one right here. And I think this tonneau cover itself would flip off. And then I think there's a clip there holding to the frame there. So I'm assuming that's what I just need to do. If there's more things that I gotta worry about, then I guess I'll find out. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm figuring this out by myself. All right, guys, time to do some work. All right, guys, it started raining. I just took out all the clips, bolts, and I am just gonna be removing that pieces already. That's already been taken out. I'm just trying to see what else I need in there, and then yeah, hopefully to get this tonneau cover off of the truck. So yeah, it's pouring a little bit, so I'm just gonna keep on working, and then I'll give you guys a progress report afterwards. All right, guys, quick update. Little hiccup. This screw is rusted and it doesn't want to get off, because that's the only way I can get this railing out of the tonneau cover. Got to figure that out, and then
No, and then.
And then.
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 over the other side, this thing where that bolt's supposed to be, that thing is broken. So I might try to do it here, but it's starting to pour a little bit. I'm gonna take a quick break and I'll continue in a little bit.
2 hours later.
All right, it stopped raining. Time to do more work on the truck. All right, so what I'm hearing from my friends, kind of asked them, my mechanic friends, what to do with the bolt. They mentioned maybe putting a rubber band or something in between there, and then putting the screwdriver there so that it fills up where it's been stripped, and then it'll hold a little bit better. I'm gonna try that out right now, and hopefully that works. So I just sprayed some WD-40, and just gonna see if it starts getting off that way. Can't find a rubber band, so we'll try it this way first, and then we'll try other procedures. So I'm waiting for the WD-40 to sit on that screw, rusted screw. I'm just gonna take off the screws from here and on the other side.
A few moments later.
All right, quick progress. Just took off the screen. We're still trying to figure out how to get the slider off. Oh, there you go. What the hell? All right. I guess that's yeah, it's just stopping it from going all the way. I think that was the reason why it kind of broke. If you guys look here, the rubber's actually fallen off. So yeah, it's time to let this thing go. Trying trying to figure out how to remove the rest of this. Yeah, it's not retracting all the way. I'm assuming, Dad, there's some like screws on the side that you can unbolt. There's some like screws, whoa, some screws on the side that you can unbolt. Actually, never mind. I think it's just a nut right there that I have to remove, and I think I'll pop this off pretty easily. I'll do the same thing on the other side. All right, after multiple failed attempts, I finally think I figured it out. What I had to do is actually remove the screen over there. Now what I did was the little rail thing that was here, slid it off all the way to the end there so that I can actually pull this whole tonneau cover out this way. I'm gonna try it that way and hopefully I can get it out. If not, I'm just gonna get annoyed again and probably just destroy the crap out of this tonneau cover. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna try it out and I'll give you guys a better progress report right after.
Eventually.
All right, so I got it about to here. I still don't know what to do. I'm still stuck. Hold on. That bracket thing, or rail bracket thing, is still stopping me from getting this whole thing out of the truck bed. I've been working on it for like close to an hour now, and then still don't how I'm supposed to remove this box now. Yeah. I wish I knew a little bit more. I've actually checked YouTube and there's really nothing that covers this, so this kind of sucks. But yeah, I'll do a little bit more work and I'll give you guys a status update in a few seconds in your world. All right, I think I finally figured it out, and then what I'm gonna do is over on this side there's actually screws over here. Then I'm just gonna unscrew and then hopefully it just rolls off and that's it, and I can take this goddamn thing out. Screws are off. I'm assuming this is just stuck on there. Once I pull it off, I can just roll this whole piece out, basically the whole slat or the actual tonneau cover off. All right guys, I'm gonna try this out. Yes, 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 yes. I'm probably destroying it now, but I mean, I can't really take it off any other way. Yeah, we did it. All right, it's off now. It's down there. Hopefully it didn't scratch up my parts of my truck, but at least it's off now. Hopefully I can figure the rest of this out and remove the railing now. Cool. All right, finally squeezed it out there. This damn thing gave me a headache this whole damn time. So it's finally out there. I'm able to remove the whole rail and everything and finally clean this up. Jeez, that took me like an hour and a half or so of like removing all these pieces, but it's out now and I can't wait to put the new tonneau cover. All right, all the parts are there now. Just gonna clean the truck bed, and after I'm done that, I'm gonna install the new tonneau cover. All right, time to install the new tonneau cover. It's gonna be surface mounted, so it's not gonna be flush onto the actual truck bed itself. It's gonna be mounted on top of it. The sun disappeared again, so I gotta start installing this piece right here. Look at that. It's supposed to hold about 500 pounds, so I am looking forward to seeing how this looks like on my truck. All right, so I just installed this and this to hold the ends here of the tonneau cover. It is sturdy as hell. It's pretty cool. Next up is actually just screwing this through here.
That's what she said.
This item right here, which will just tighten it and make it tighter so I can actually clamp it onto the frame of the truck bed. All right, so I screwed it up.
Yeah, you did.
And now all I have to do is, now it's just clamping here to hold onto the frame. So if I can do this, it's locked now. It's sturdy with the frame. All right, so the clips are installed now. 1, 2, the fixed clip is installed on the end part there. Also on the other side, the last 2 clips on this side is installed now. Tonneau cover is done, so I'm just gonna take a quick view of it. So it looks like this now. It actually takes, it's about 500 pounds, so sturdy, ready to go for this weekend. Just gonna close it up. Woo! Whew, looks flushed. One more time, thumbs up. Anyways, guys, that will do it for the video for the installation of my tonneau cover. Yeah, it took longer than I expected it would be. It actually took me total 4 hours or so. If you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any new videos. Until next time, guys, stay awesome.